Wall Street Pete Sicto in crypto. Talk about cryptocurrency, live technical analysis for you when it is urgent, the most important time. That's why you hit the bell, all notifications so you get this stuff immediately. The best crypto space. Okay, so here we come, right? Get a little humble. It's time to get humble for Wall Street Pete. Not exactly as predicted anymore, huh? This is how unpredictable the market can be. This is why you hit the like and subscribe. We follow it. We talk about it. We like to talk about when we're right. We love to talk about when we're wrong. Why? Because nobody is perfect. And it's been a while since we were completely off our basis and shot from the side. Getting struck. Well, that's kind of what happened, right? It happens once in a while, and it's allowed to happen. But with this big FUD and what is happening, ladies and gentlemen, it appears to pause withdrawals. FTX, as Sam Bankman-Fried and Binance go to war. Ladies and gentlemen, if it wasn't for the FUD, if it wasn't for all the problems, the technical analysis always stands. But this is why you always have to do your homework. You have to check left, right, up, down, all around in the crypto space because you're never safe. It could always go down to a point to where you don't know what's going to happen next. CZ's Binance to buy rivals FTX. Woo! We are safe, ladies and gentlemen. The falling can hopefully stop. This is just coming live to you. I know a lot of you may be at work. I know a lot of you may be looking at your phone real quick. Oh no, what the hell just happened? Why is the price going down all the way to 18.9 as we mostly saw 19.6 was no longer a bounce of a price, and we got really concerned. It went all the way to 20,000. Up to 20,000 and a half, and then boom, this happened. So bringing the news to you right now. Thank you for Binance buying this currently. We are in good shape. This just came out this afternoon, literally minutes ago. A 48-hour crypto drama ended in shock Tuesday as Binance Holdings Ltd. agreed to acquire its most formidable rival, FTX.com, after helping whip up an investor exodus from billionaire Sam Bankman-Fried's 3-year-old exchange. So this is what's going on. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for Binance. Once again, Binance wins. And perhaps we will continue to see a steady growth into Binance BNB. So if you do hold, congratulations. As I said, BNB will one day be a 1,000 digit coin, right? We're not talking about 340, 300. So just getting that in there. One day this is going to be worth 1,000. Definitely 4-digit asset. And as we're getting close to it, you'll be surprised how quickly it may go after that. Mia in the house, a smooth sea, never made a skilled sailor. Learning TA through this time is insane. What up, Pete? Sometimes there is no technical analysis during these times. It's pretty wild, right? As we're continuing to go down 18.9. The fun is real, ladies and gentlemen. The fear is absolutely devastating. So it also crashed the FTX more than 30%. And as you can see on the charts right here, we don't have too many charts up. I'm just showing you this in the Coinbase. Currently trending, obviously down 53%, just roughly 52.5%. So you can see what's going on. They just went bankrupt pretty much. Binance is going to bail them out. It's now going to be the Binance. What else is new? If you ever pay attention to the new coins coming out, you'll notice Binance has that happen a lot. Let's get to the charts, though, right? We need to look at this. We're going to retest down 18.5, as I already said on Instagram. So to beat the bush or to not waste any more time, this 18.5, 18.6, as you can see, we're getting really close right now. So let's get rid of that. No sense to pay attention to the indicator. As you can see, 18.6 here, we talked about that briefly, and we're coming down to touch like nobody's business. I want to tell a lot of people, I feel like I'm the captain of the ship right now, sinking on the Titanic, because this is a rising wedge, rising channel that sometimes can get broken. And it doesn't always mean it's going to be this bullish momentum, right? But the 19.6 was playing a narrative, and we were coming down a little too strong. This is what we may call, my friends, ladies and gentlemen, a falling knife. This is not something you want to keep dipping in and buying into. And actually, as we continue, we're now live hitting exactly where we are expected to go through. This support, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know if you understand how important this current support after 19.6 at this current moment. We need to pretend that doesn't even exist because this all goes out the window once the FUD kicks in. Everybody's pulling their money, withdrawing. What is the total crypto market cap? We must find out. It's not as bad as under 970 as it was, but it's going lower. There we go. $20 billion, just like that, since the beginning of this channel to the FUD of it coming down. $20 billion poured out from a 6-minute time frame. Imagine anywhere in the world, $20 billion disappearing in about 6 minutes. that would cause havoc anywhere you go. So that's currently what's happening right now in the total crypto market cap, down 7.66. You either put your sell stops or get out now, or you watch what's happening, which is currently a mess. I'm watching and I'm seeing what's going on. This is a daily candle. Let's pay attention to the forwardly, because if you see the forwardly or perhaps something different, you'll see a 15-minute even. We're coming straight down. There's a 15-minute chart, each one representing we're breaking down to the possible last new higher low as we thought we were receiving. Well, now guess what? This is why, my friends, ladies and gentlemen, everyone who talked the talk of this being the possible worst not over, well, here it is. And get rid of all the drawings real quick, and you could basically see what we're at. 25,000, the top of this falling wedge we broke through. Ladies and gentlemen, the manipulation, the things that are happening have never been at an all-time worse, right? This is what we're currently looking at right now for the Bitcoin price. Breaking it down for the 4-hourly. Possibly here we can get a bounce now. This is the end. Somewhere around the 18.4, 18.3. There is a chance. Now, ladies and gentlemen, there is a chance. But you saw we got a big spring to the upside, which caused us to go down further. And look how low we are. We have not been this low since August of this year. So this is pretty devastating. Right now, currently, the total crypto market cap will probably keep falling, and it's very dangerous and scary to see this happen. We got to get a bounce sooner or later, and here we go. We're getting it now currently. Like I said, if you look at that pattern, I just got to keep flicking back and forth because this is very devastating, even at a live point in time. You see the big bounce off here as we specifically got on this falling wedge. We broke out to the top. High volatile waves here. I don't see anything making sense besides a big falling wedge. Not a big falling wedge, excuse me. A big double bottom M pattern. What we're looking to do here is somehow rise above and get to the 19.8, 20,000 price and do get a W. Possibly ultimate 21.2, same thing we've done before. That seems to be about where we've been coming through. If we can repeat this pattern and do something similar to this, we would be out of the woods. If not, like I'm saying here, I'm just getting a little concerned. I was just really buying some time, speculating, checking this out right now. If you would please let me do. This is some of the stuff, some of the speculation of the downward trend and all that terrible news that people were talking about. Where would you go? Well, you would go to the first peak, which is resistance right there. And the first peak of resistance, well, we have it there, and you would see that, well, if we had resistance here back in 2019, there was always this possibility that if we didn't get the double bottom M rejection, and this is what we're hoping for right here to happen, you're going to get this double bottom M pattern, and that's devastating because it will ultimately take us down. It's not going to go straight to there. Now, please don't jump out of your assets and go, liquid immediately after based off this conversation here. What I'm trying to explain to you here is the scenarios, and I want you to be prepared for it. If we start breaking through below the 18,000 price and we don't able to find a support level at the 19,000, we're in a lot of trouble. I'll make this yellow. Maybe this is where you want to put your sell stop at. I can't do much more than that for you. But a sell stop must be done here. Anybody trying to do leverage, anybody trying to do anything at this point, I would put a sell stop here. Find out what's going on. You don't want to lose any more money. That would be devastating. But I do believe we can bounce off here. It would be a double bottom M. Right here, let me show you. I'm going to make it smaller. So the M is definitely something I don't expect. But this is something that can happen based off the history of time. There was one more level. It's 13.5. You see 13.7 off the peaks. I'm talking about this right here. So these are the levels why it won't just go straight down. Please understand, I don't expect it to go straight down one more time. But if we do start resulting into here, this causes a massive panic in the crypto space, probably everywhere. This is what you will see in the ultimate grand scheme of things. It's very unfortunate, but as you deep down look, that was a peak. Well, we'll hit support, and then I would be willing to say, okay, well, I still have money. I'm still a working man. I'm going to buy this dip, have a sip, and then currently be able to dollar cost average in. Now, these are all scenarios, but this can still happen. I would not be happy if it did happen, but definitely make sure this is the color. Make it red, make it pink. Do what you got to do, right? We give ourselves understanding that this is important. We don't want to see this happen, but we have it a different color just to prepare us if we do start coming down and breaking through here again. We will ultimately find ourselves coming into here as a double bottom M pattern. We'll definitely be flipping old resistance into support. So pretty much all I wanted to do is just a quick video, 10-minute video, Wall Street, Pete, Signo, and crypto. Come live for you. If I was in the car or if I was going somewhere currently, I just happened to come in, set up some lunch, and saw what was going on. And that's basically what is happening. So if you like this sort of quickness, quick video and updates, this is what we do for you. Thank you so much. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.